Hello everyone, this is Vasu Gudvalli. I'm currently pursuing my master's in Executive MBA from New England College. So currently, from my course perspective, currently I'm working on few courses at this current semester. At this moment, I'm gonna work with ethical decision making for leaders course, which will help us to educate the leaders, hey, how to take the decisions, ethical decisions at their workplace. So coming to this coursework, how it helped me in my progress of my career. So here is like when you are working in an IT company, so you need to be very communicative with your teammates and the colleagues. So coming to this, let's say like if you're talking about business ethics, it is not just an isolated personal issue for anyone. And like some people think it is very easy and often viewed it as a very easy to master with a little effort, but I say it's not that simple, because like every organizations have a code of ethics rules and some formal way of communications, that how we speak to the stakeholders and how we could work with them, and coming to some other points like how they will be helpful for us in the field of business ethics, which deals with questions about whether like to specific conduit or business practice are applicable, what methods we have trying to do, etc. And coming like some of those topics in this course, we explored more like what should be very acceptable for individuals and the organizations while you're working in IT. So when this course helped us a lot to improve the ability to make ethical decisions by providing the framework for identifying, analyzing, and resolving ethical dilemmas. So some topics like how we will define, evaluate, and summarize the main ethical theories that most people subscribe to. So we also learn implementations and the differences among the various theories, and that reflects on which one best align with of our own beliefs and values. So like it will help us to see and differentiate what is right and what is wrong while you're working in a company, and how to behave as a professional. So it helped me to get a very good picture, like how I have to work with my colleagues, and how I have to work with my teammates, and how I have to be communicative with my superintendents and my subordinates. So this course helped me a lot to improve my career. Coming to the other course, it is a strategic project management. So in this particular coursework, what we have learned is how like every project life cycles will work. For example, so for at some point I have done projects whether like professionally or personally, that will be helpful for us, and maybe some of them maybe are big and some of them are very small, and some of them go well and some of them don't, and some of them will be very poorly executed. So our overarching of the goals for this is to provide us with how do we need tools that make us understand how to manage our workplace projects, and how to make them maximize to achieve the success. So and to and how to achieve the goals, how we have to follow the coursework and project life cycle, uh, and the differences between how the operations and projects work, and some points how do we develop the products practically, which influence the project management, and we also get the knowledge of the a project management body of knowledge, which will look further into the project management practices and processes. So we came to how it constitutes with a project, and different methodologies what we should use, waterfall, agile, how these things work when you are working with a some particular project and a stakeholder, because sometimes you have to follow with the waterfall method, because if the initial process is not done, you cannot continue the next phase. So that's how at that moment we use the waterfall methodologies. And if you consider the agile methodology, which is like the development is going and the testing is also going parallelly with that particular thing, so that they can complete the task in the particular time frame and can go for the production or live onto the customers and take the reviews from them. So how we will be able to manage all of these, and how should we be successful in these things while we use like strategic project management. So that this helped us a lot through this course, and guides us and gives a good picture how to manage a project strategically, how to behave with the colleagues and teammates in your particular team. So this helped me a lot to get a good knowledge on this particular IT company, how to behave, how not to, how to be successful, and how if you are not following these methods, how these results will affect in your project, all these things. Thank you.